Hello. In this lecture, I'm going to talk about delegation. So what is delegation? Well, delegation is an effective tool. Delegation, it deals with assigning a task or a set of tasks for an employee to do. The important thing to know is basically, how does one go about delegating? Well, delegation involves guiding, supervising, and training an employee to do a particular task. It's not simply just throwing off some work onto somebody's back. It's a whole process. If this process is not followed, and the employee simply assigns something to do without the right input, then the employee could fail miserably. In the end, who do you think will be blamed for the poor delegation practice? The employee or the manager? It's going to be the manager. Delegation is also useful to the manager, not just to the employee. You see, by splitting off the workload, the manager can then use the extra time gained to focus on higher level leadership needs. One important thing to note is, what do the followers actually think about delegation? Well, some see delegation simply as a manager who wishes to offload some of their work onto others. However, there are those who see its true strength, and this has to do with how by the act of delegating, the manager is showing confidence in the employee that they can handle new tasks while also training that employee for the future. Therefore, delegation has a very important role in the organization. In working in various businesses, I've seen a common problem which has affected managers, and this is upward delegation. You see, sometimes the followers will try to pass off their workload to the manager. They will make statements such as, "I'm too busy to do all of these tasks," or "I don't know how to do this," or I haven't been trained on this procedure, so I can't do it, it's not my fault." A manager must be careful not to take on responsibilities from subordinates, because they can quickly add up and take all of the manager's time. If you're not careful, you could spend the entire working day doing other people's work, rather than working on your own responsibilities. So you could end up in the position of failing to manage. In short, delegation has many benefits, both for the manager and the employee. However, the manager must be careful as to which direction the delegation is happening and control that upward delegation such that it does not take up all the manager's time.